Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into a custom one on Samsung Galaxy A25. So you have to start with opening your internet browser and then click on search bar and type in yep.com. Now you have to search something using your custom search engine. And now click here and go to settings. Now click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.